So, I have been doing some woodworking for a while, and I wanted to start incorporating some metal into my projects. So I went out to Harbor Freight and I bought this flux welding machine, fairly inexpensive and good for a starter. I've never welded anything before, never had a welder. So I picked this up and I wanted to share with you my first welding experience with this, setting it up and trying it out. So hopefully things will go as planned and things will work out. So let's see.
One of the first things for setup is to get the flux wire into the unit. You have to slowly feed it through to a certain point so that you can now get it through to the welding gun.
All right, success. Fine.
It's not as easy as it looks sometimes.
Okay, so that's in. Now, let's plug it in. Let's turn it on. And now we have to feed it through. We have to feed it through to this nozzle, and first thing I'm going to do is take this off so that the wire will come through and not bend. Let's see how it goes. Alright, it came through the nozzle. Now put the nozzle tip back on it. I'm going to put this nozzle top on it. Cut it. And now we're supposed to be ready for some welding. Let's see. I need to put on all my accoutrements. I got my apron here. Protect my clothes from getting burned, I hope. I also have my trusty helmet that is auto darkening, meaning that as soon as the sparks fly, it should darken to protect my eyes from UV rays. If you don't wear a helmet, you could get like a sunburn on your face and it could hurt your retina. So hopefully this works. Alright, I think I'm ready for my first spark. Well, it's darkened, but I can't see anything. So, some technical difficulties. You know, these user guides that come with this stuff these days are really not self-explanatory. When it said to pull the stickers off of both sides of the lenses, and there was a warning sticker on both sides, so I pulled the warning sticker off. But when I pulled the hat down, I still can't see. So after further investigation, there is a thin layer on both sides of sticky paper that needs to come off. So I've done that. So now hopefully I can see what I'm doing. it's not a very good one, but it's my first weld. It's going to take some practice, but I am now officially in the welding business.